This time, welcome to Cabana Pool. So maliliit lang pool. Zipline rides pala doon. So ito pala yung mga cabanas nila. They have comfort rooms. Parang hindi masyadong nagagamit. So on my back yung mga cabanas for rent nila, pero parang hindi masyadong nagagamit feeling ko. Zipline rides daw po ito. I really do not know where to pass. Okay, pero close. Maybe they have others. Close. Close po. And pool. Ganun lang. Pool lang siya. Ay. Welcome to the Twin House. Naka-record pala yun kanina. Sorry. Wait. So basically, ito lang po ang nandito. We have dwarfs. Meron pong ang hayop. So they call it here apple pool. Kung makita ninyo, mga apple. Tingnan natin. Okay. Okay. Pero hindi na po ito siguro ginagamit. They call it apple pool, pero hindi na ito ginagamit. Kasi parang hindi na maintain. Then they have here yan. Meron silang Buddha. Climbing. Yan, climbing. So lalapit tayo sa Buddha nila. Interesting. May Buddha sila. Steps. There. Parang Thailand. Picturean muna natin. And may paalala po. Climbing the Buddha statue is strictly prohibited. Yun. Malapitan natin. 1. Napaka-interesting na may mga Buddha. Nag-include sila ng Buddha dito. Napakalawak nga talaga ng lugar. Pero yun nga, napaka-interesting na naglagay din sila ng Buddha nito. Puzzling. Kasi usually Buddhism is very expected when you are in Thailand, Japan, I believe. Pero dito nakaka-puzzling siya na may naglagay sila ng Buddha. temple dito. Then they have stones. Thanos. Thanos. Yan dan. Tapos may stairs. Yan pa rin. May stairs going down. Not sure what is it here. Explore lang natin. Explore lang. Pero this area lacks maintenance. Parang walang masyadong nagme-maintain dito. Like the Apple Pool, wala na. Hindi na siya mini-maintain. Kasi marami na pong amenities na iba. Napakalawak. I do not know how many square kilometers the Virginia's area is, pero napakalawak po. So pupunta na ulit tayo sa ibang planeta. Joke. Yun, nature as usual for nature lovers. Napaka perfect na lugar. We are beside the Buddha temple. Bakit gold? Kasi may mga ganito dahil gold ata ito. As per the belief, gold. Yan. Let's say goodbye to Buddha now. Let's explore other areas. So pag nilakad mo from Buddha, ito ang view dito. Pero for now, they have pine trees din pala. I do not know if that is a Filipino saint. Bunga. Rambutan. Tapos may gym din pala sila dito. Lots of walking. Matarik, if that's the Tagalog term. Matarik po ang daanan. And dito po, they have a gymnasium. Galing. Wow. See? Complete sila. And then there's another pool there. Tapos, yan. So much places have been visited. Babalik po muna ako doon sa aming pavilion. Kasi kakarating lang namin. Then, have some foods para may energy na naman po mamaya. Thank you and goodbye, Kofalco. See you on the next video. Goodbye.